Welcome to WP Solutions. In our previous video we learned how to upload logo in WordPress. So today we will learn how to create a new page and add the page in navigation menu. So let's start. Just click on your dashboard, click on pages, then you will see two options, all pages and add new. In all pages you will see all the pages you have on your website, and if you want to create a new page you will click on add new. I will show you the pages we have. As you can see, about, cart, checkout, contact, home, my account and shop. These are the pages we have. Now we will create a new page. I will click on add new. Now we will just add a title and some text in our page. You can use any title you want. I will use example page. You can add more text if you want. So I will add a featured image in our page. You can upload image from your system. If you want to select from media library, these are the images you already have on your website. So I will just select one image. It will take few seconds. Yes. Now after adding title, text and featured image, we just need to publish this page. WordPress editor will provide you basic editing options for your pages. If you want to create a page with multiple sections, images, videos, then you will need a page editor. So I will recommend Elementor because it will provide more options than other page editors, and it's really easy to work with Elementor. So in our coming videos we will use Elementor and Elementor Pro to edit our pages. So I will just click on view page to check our new page. Our page is ready now. Yes. This is the image we added as a featured image, and this was the title, and this is the text. So now we will add this page in our menu. For this we have to go to our dashboard again. Navigate to appearance, then you will see an option menus. Click on it. On this page you will see an option for creating a new menu, and if you want to edit the existing menu you can select it from your menus. So when you create a new page it will appear in this section for menu. If you want to see your all pages you can click on view all. If you want to search a page you can click on search, and I will click on view all. This is the new page we just created. I will just check this box. After that we have to click on add to menu. It will add our new page to the menu. So this is our new page. If you want to just edit the navigation label, then you can click on this drop down and change the text. I will just remove page. Okay. After that we just have to save our menu. Now our menu is ready, so we will check our site. So as you can see, this is our new page we just created in WordPress. here we go. So in our next video we will try to something create new, and we will create custom header footer with Elementor. So stay connected, subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching.